Brick one-level home with low maintenance. Gray tile floors throughout. There is no carpet in this home. The roof is new for 2022. The privacy fence and storage building are also new. Ceiling fans throughout the home have smart LV lights. Both baths have tubs and showers combined. The Ring doorbell conveys, and the kitchen stainless appliances stay. There is a patio in the backyard that would be great for grilling. Easy accessibility to Foley Beach Express and Highway 59. Only 30 minutes to the Gulf beaches. Claim your piece of paradise. Contact me for your private showing. Measurements are not warranted. Agents and buyers are responsible for accurate measurements.